Knees. Knee pain can be a problem for people. So we got some hot spots on the leg here. We tested the hot spots to make sure that they help the leg to feel better. We've gone through our recovery process. And now, I don't have it with me, but imagine I got a bar loaded here. I'll grab a bar. It's not heavy, but give you guys a picture of being able to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and bring some power up. See if we can get a little show for you. Get some power in here. Okay, so you can see the muscles are getting involved. Right into the vastus medialis. We got some vastus lateralis going on. So I got those on board, and now let's say I want to recover the strength, so I can bring the power up a good bit. All right, load my bar, get my spot. I can practice my squat, and I can even load this bar. Okay, I can load this bar with a lot of weight, while at the same time I'm using the device to supplement the muscles, facilitate, bring the right muscles on board to help me be able to squat better, stronger, and in a more healthy way.